Now welcome the student. My starting the new channel that is IS trading. We are mainly focus on there are incoming or entry trade of the new student. There are no that the UPC syllabus. There are no information about the targeting the how to trade the UPC at entry time. There are many channels are focused on that students. Now we'll be starting channel. We will be focused on the current affair mainly included in the newspapers. There are some PIBs. Their their issue will be most important for the UPC exam paper point use. Now we'll be focused on the today's newspaper. Some issue like the coal demand. Coal demands that is the core point, core subject of the Indian economy. So that is the mainly impact on the Indian economy. For is the most generation of the target that coal means is the generator and the electricity plus also impact on the environmental. The environmental impact will be more causes on the humans. There are some consumption of coal mainly focus on mainly on the electricity consumption. Electricity consumption is electricity is the most important requirement sources of the every human persons. Now will be 80% of the coal consumption of electric supply or electric generation. That coal will be most important. And now issue is that the coal supply demand mismatch. The coal demand is more, but supply is less due to that issue will be evolved itself. But the mainly why is the issue will be occurs because of the in COVID era, the number of labors doesn't come from the mining. The generation okay, withdraw the coal blocks from the coal mining will be less, mainly for the laborer or healthy problem. Laborer grass labor doesn't give the proper incentive as money format, not a health format due to the coal impact on the grassroots levels. The mainly that issue is come from the grassroots level. And now further will supply side will be less. They mainly impact on the electric consumption. The economic activity of the second COVID wave, the most important for the GDP rate of the India will be slowed down. The sharp increase in the import of coal. The coal imported from the other nation will be at a low price, but the government sources most useful for the domestic economic generation for employment generation. That is a less burden on the government budgets. Try to use the domestic resources due to the now how to will be coal use will be decreased in further way. Use the renewable energy which contain the solar energy used for the useful work like the electric generation pump work that wind energy. Wind energy most important part will be renewable generation the electricity. And third one is the water energy, geothermal energy. That is the renewables will be our implementation on the substitute of the coal spot. That is a MPC day on the report. What does it mean by MPC? MPC means the Monetary Policy Committee day on the repo rate. The monetary body is who are constituted, that is constituted by the government, which include the RBI person plus government person. We are generally focused on the targeting the inflation plus plus the regulation of the market that MPC. They are bi-monthly or bi-monthly policy to assignment to repo quantitative measure, quantity as a quality measure to reduction or inflation targeting purpose. Now is new news is that the MPC committee first review the repo rate and that COVID area and post-COVID area. We are compare it and they are targeting the how to the market will reverse after the COVID area. The government, the MPC will be target that the increasing the economic activity due to the repo rate will be take on the constant rate. There are more economic activity occurred due to that things the uh, economic economic recovery is more important for the Indian concern for the MSME sectors. There are some push for economic recovery, soft push of the inflation. There is some liquidity infused into market. Like this, the common man can be take the loan from the lower price, from the bank. Due to the that money will be go infused into the market. The market more money, that is the economic activity will be more, but they are limited for they are another criteria to maintain by the MPC the inflation targeting. Now MPC return that is forecast the GDP growth is 9.5% of the that financial years predicted that. Mm, but next year that MPC company they are targeting that the 11.5 GDP rate will be occur in the next years. MPC mainly focus on the growth oriented the targeted how to growth of the economy in the primary sectors, secondary sectors, and tertiary sector with with limiting the inflation. Inflation is the most important uh, factor for the economies, which will be impacting on the government policies. Next will be hello hello gram Nyalai. Gram Nyalai means that the Nyalai at the root level, which include the each include the DPSP, that is the Directive Principal Policy, which contain the Article 39A. It said that the pre-legal add to the weaker section. The weaker section is the grass rule, that is the rural area is more. Due to Parliament making the Act, that is a Gram Nyalai Act 2008, mainly focused on the weaker section for the speedily, easily justice for the easily distributable weaker section. आता who are recommended? The Law Commission of India in 114 report recommendation to displacement the Gram Nyalai. Uh, what is the composition of the Gram Nyalai? Gram Nyalai is a composition that is the established the presided by the Gram न्यायदायकारी न्यायदायकारी एक one person appointed at the Panchayat Samiti, means that Gram Nyalai is the established at the Panchayat Samiti, not a Jilla Parishad, not a Gram level, not a Gram Panchayati level. That is a Gram, that is in intermediate levels. They are handle the cases. Like another name is Gram Nyaya is a mobile court. Mobile court, it is the go to the grassroots level and handle the cases with the shortest time and give the justiciable nature to every persons. And there are how to appointment the Gram Nyayalaya. The Nyayadayakari is appointed by the state government with consultation of the High Court. That is a status of the Nyayadayakari is the judicial magistrate of the first class. Judicial magistrate of the first class. Today will be completed discussion. Next will be handled.